Power and materials. Meet the next evolution in robotics, the full-sized AGIBOT A3. Built for extreme performance, it runs on custom, next-gen joint motors, delivering up to 150 amps of current and a massive 12 kilowatts of peak power. By swapping standard aluminum for an ultra-light magnesium alloy and reinforcing key stress points with titanium, the fuselage weighs just 55 kilograms. That gives it an insane power-to-weight ratio of 0.218 kilowatts per kilo, matching million-dollar supercars and enabling high agility moves like somersaults and floating skywalks. Motion ecosystem and battery breakthrough creation is built right in. Thanks to the native LinkCraft platform, anyone can design, upload, and share new motion routines anywhere with a single click, building a global content ecosystem. Powering it all is an industry-leading tabless dual battery system with optimized energy consumption. It shatters records with up to 10 hours of runtime, plus a 10-second hot swap feature for continuous 24/7 operation. Battery anxiety is officially extinct. Custom design, AI, and navigation. The A3 pairs athletic hardware with model-grade proportions and sleek, customizable aesthetics. From full-body wraps to custom AI personalities via the LinkSoul platform, every unit can be tailored to fit any role. Navigation is handled by a centimeter-level positioning system that enables massive, multi-robot dance routines without extra hardware. Armed with shoulder tactile sensors and visual voice multimodal AI, talking to your robot is completely effortless. Portability, durability, and commercial future. Transport is seamless. Designed for single-person unboxing, a full-sized humanoid now easily fits inside a standard SUV. It inherits the legendary AGIBOT legacy, built for a 3-year lifespan after enduring 92 brutal factory stress tests. Designed for entertainment, commercial showcases, and stage performances, the A3 Brilliant Master is ready to partner with